Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about what happens when we find ourselves in a difficult situation. How do we react? Most of the times we get panicked, and if we are lucky enough, then we have people around us who give us hope and restore our faith in ourselves. Today I will narrate a story that will highlight the importance of faith and belief and also make us understand that we should never lose that faith. Once a long time ago, there was a kingdom. The kingdom was being run peacefully by the king. One day he got the news that an army from a large state was heading towards his kingdom to attack it. He got panicked because he did not have a large military force which could withstand such a large army. He called the commander, but the commander gave up beforehand and said, "Maharaj, we are certainly going to lose in this war. We are bound to lose in this war. Our military will not be able to withstand before such a large army. So there is no justification in fighting this war. Instead of losing the lives of soldiers, we should already give up." After listening to the commander, the king got disappointed. His concern was increased. He was unable to understand what to do or what not to do. He went to the saint of the kingdom to overcome his tension. The king made the saint aware of his entire situation and told that the commander had already given up before the war. Hearing this, the saint said, "Such a commander should be immediately removed from his post and put into jail. The commander who is giving up without fighting does not have right to lead a military." The king said worriedly, "But who will lead the military if I put the commander into jail?" The saint said, "I will lead your military." The king wondered how the saint would fight the war, who had never fought any war. But seeing no alternative, the king obeyed the saint and made him the commander of his kingdom. After becoming the commander, the saint took the command of the army and went to the war with the army. There was a temple on the way. The saint stopped the army in front of the temple and said to soldiers, "Stay here for a while. I go to temple and ask the god whether we would win or not." Hearing this, the soldier was surprised and asked, "In temple there is just a statue of God. How will he talk?" The saint said, "I have been talking to God throughout of my life, so I'll talk to God. You stay here and wait for me." Saying this, the saint went inside the temple. After a while, when he came back, the soldier asked, "What did the god say?" The saint replied, "The god said, if you see the light in the temple at night, then you must win." The whole army started waiting for the night, and when it was night, they saw light in the temple. On seeing this, they all were over the moon. They believed that they would win the war now. Their confidence was over the sky, and they reached the battlefield with the intention of victory. The war lasted 12 days. The soldiers fought with confidence, and consequently they won. While coming back on the way, they came across the same temple. The soldier told the saint that they had won because of God. "You go and say thank to him." The saint replied, "There is no need to go to temple." The soldier said, "How ungrateful you are! The God who eliminated the temple and made us won. You can't even thank him." The saint said, "We can thank God from here too. The light coming from the temple was a lamp that night, and I lit that lamp. That light did not appear during the day, but at night it started appearing. Having seen the light of lamp, you believed me that you would win the war. This way your confidence started developing, and you went to the battlefield with the confidence of victory, and you achieved the victory that seemed impossible." So the saint made the soldiers believe in something, and that belief got them an unexpected victory. From this story we learn that even if any task seems difficult and impossible, we should believe in ourselves and God, and have faith in what we do. That faith converts impossible tasks into possible. This kind of faith gives us a basis to move on with our task.